In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and Account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through getting into your Squarespace account, opening the right site from your account dashboard, entering the editor, and adding a video block that autoplays and loops. I'll keep it simple and add helpful context along the way, so you know why each click matters. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the front door to everything else. If you're not already signed in, Squarespace may prompt you to log in first so it can connect you to your sites. Once you're in, you'll see options to start building or manage existing work. Next, look for your account dashboard. This is the hub where you can see all of your sites, subscriptions, and key settings in one place. Opening the dashboard ensures you're working from a centralized view, which makes switching between sites or projects much easier. Inside the account area, go to the website section. This is where your sites live. Choosing website brings up the list of sites associated with your account, so you can pick the one you want to edit today. Select your site, then open it again, and choose Edit. That takes you into the visual editor where you can work directly on pages and sections. Give it a moment to load. The editor needs to pull in your current layout and styles, so everything you see reflects the live structure of your site. Now let's add the video. In the editor, click to add a block where you want the video to appear. Choose the video block. You can upload a video file or connect a link from a supported platform, depending on what works best for your workflow and file size. Once the video is in place, turn on autoplay and loop. Many browsers only allow autoplay when video is muted, so be sure to enable mute if you want the video to start without user interaction. This keeps the experience smooth while avoiding unexpected audio for your visitors. Take a moment to fine-tune the look. Adjust the block's sizing, alignment, and spacing so it fits naturally with your page content. If your design calls for it, you can place the video in a prominent hero section to add motion right at the top. For best performance, use a web-optimized file and keep the duration concise. On mobile, autoplay behavior can vary by device, so a short, muted loop generally delivers the most consistent result. That's it. You've navigated through your account, opened your site, entered the editor, and added a looping autoplay video to elevate your page. Thanks for watching, and happy building.